My name is Peter Dimba, the chairperson of Operation Tutula. Khona nje into engifuna ukuyi-edala enkulumeni yethu, particularly le efaka upresident wethu under the pass about frontline states and so on and so on. Apparently, Operation Tutula was formed by concerned citizen and military veterans. I just want to emphasize this so that bangathusela upresident wethu nge-issue yama frontline state. We've been there. We respected their laws. We went to exile. We were very young by then when we go to exile. And then into siyenzile exile ukuthi sihloniphe imithetho yakhona, ukuthi senze sure ukuthi la sikhona sihlonipha imithetho yakhona. We want to tell South Africans today ukuthi bayazi leyo ukuthi we never went there going to loot that side or disrespect imithetho yakhona. We went there, we respected imithetho yakhona. So abantu masenza into efanele country yethu bangasilebuli bangasithathi kabi. It's what we fought for. That is why sisazoyilwela leyo nto. Why? Because we sacrificed for it. That is why we need not to be misinterpreted as the operation to do. Today we are sending a strong message ukuthi abantu base South Africa bazi ukuthi lezwe khona abantu esibashile le balwela le country. So we can never sit down and say everything is fine whereas sibona izinto zimoshakala. I thank you.
Chair, ngicela ukuthi ke clarify the issue. There's an issue ukuthi thina la South Africa which is not Operation Tutula. Ukuthi sibiza abantu ngamakorekwere. Can you please tell them ukuthi ngale nibiza in once exile?
Thank you. Well, when we were in Tanzania, they used to remind us ukuthi apa Tanzania alafu nafanya matatizo unawipata fresh. This simply means this is our country. If you come with indiscipline, we're gonna show you something. So I thank you to remind me that, Commander Tam.
Now I'm gonna plan a march where I'll be leading South Africans. Remember, there's a judgment that we must stop everything that we are doing, going to hospitals, going to schools. If the government is not going to do anything about it in the next month, if we're not going to see law enforcers in these facilities, we're not going to see immigration officers, law inspectors in companies making sure that the people that are employed, they are the right people, we will be going to police station. And police must arrest us for being patriotic. They must arrest us for loving our country. Because we will not sit and fold our arms and look at our country die and burn into ashes. We will not. So rather we hand ourselves in before they do it. Because we'll come to a stage where ordinary South Africans would be hurtful because they are already hurtful. And we've been containing this heat for the past 5 years. When people want to really be xenophobic, when people wanted to burn infrastructure, and we were like, let's do it the right way. Let's go to these departments. Let's talk to authorities, but they have not been listening to us. Now, we will give them that month. Let them do the work that they are stopping us to do. But also the court does not stop our intentions, our intended operations at the schools. It doesn't. Now this means on Monday, the 11th of November, we will be at the schools. And I thank you.